Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can connect TubeBuddy with your YouTube channel. To connect TubeBuddy, we have to follow two steps: creating a TubeBuddy account and installing Chrome extension. Let's start with creating a TubeBuddy account. To create an account, go to tubebuddy.com and click on sign up. Now accept their terms and conditions and click on sign up. So this is your TubeBuddy dashboard. Now we have our TubeBuddy account. Now let's install TubeBuddy Chrome extension. Go to your Chrome web store and search TubeBuddy. And this is the TubeBuddy extension which we have to install. To install, click on it. Click on Add to Chrome and then click here. And your extension will be installed. After installation, go to your YouTube channel and click here. Then agree their terms and sign in with your email. Make it allow. And here you go. If you want to learn how to use TubeBuddy, then click here to watch a short tutorial video. If you find this video helpful, then consider supporting this channel. We are coming up with this type of content every week.